Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will share with you GBPUSD analysis from a multi-time frame perspective and also from a fundamental perspective. As you can see, we are on the daily chart at this moment, and what we can observe is that price declined from the top of the structure, increased, we can see another bigger wave. After the price tested the top of the structure, created this type of false breakout, and now we are on the bearish movement. So overall, I'm expecting the price to move down again. On the daily chart, GBPUSD is moving inside this large trading picture. This is the range trading movement that we are looking at, but it's a bit more complex on a lower time frame. So on a lower time frame, on the 4-hour chart, the price has a clear bearish structure. After each movement, we can observe this impulsive movement. We had a corrective movement, another one impulsive, another one corrective, another impulsive. So what may happen at this moment? So here we are right now. I think that probably this is accumulating again, and we can see the bearish movement to resume, and it will be in line with the bigger picture. I'm looking at for targets at 1.3215, 1.31. This is the direction of the movement that we may have. After about one hour and a half, we have also the non-farm payroll data and the retail sales data. It's expected the non-farm payroll data may come in lower than the previous month. The market is going to speculate again if the Fed is going to cut rates or not. However, we have to remember that the Fed repeated several times that they don't intend to change rates anytime soon. So at least not even this meeting. So it will be a bit confusing how the price may react. If we are going to check this out in this way, I left some targets in both ways. The first movement correction was created in this part here. Let's say this is what we had as the first correction. This was the second one, and after this corrective part was completed, the price created a breakout and started the bearish movement again, impulsive again. And we are on this small part here. So I'm looking at this as a possible triangle pattern. I think that the price is already accumulating. It can be a type of contracting triangle pattern before it moves down. However, considering that we are ahead of the non-farm payroll data, which is one of the main events related to the US dollar, we have to be very careful. We have to be prepared for both movements, and for this reason, I'm looking at this scenario here. So the probability is that if the price will move above this triangle, it may continue with the upper targets, and if the price is going to confirm the bearish movement, and as it seems we are near to the bearish movement, once the price breaks out, it will increase the chances to go down. So the breakout from this pattern is going to show our direction. I think that it has more chances to continue down, given that we are in a clear bearish trend on the 4-hour chart, and the breakdown should create the same bearish movement. However, the speculation related to the data and what the Fed can do related to the non-farm payroll data and the interest rates, it can create also a bullish movement above the pattern, and we may have a short-term bullish reaction for GBPUSD. What is very important here, despite the fact that I'm looking at for the bearish movement, we have to be careful from any strange speculation, because we may see the price to increase up to a certain point, we may have a false breakout, and it can move down later. This is one of the worst scenarios that we may face at this point, but I think that it can perform well, as it seems, because the price is moving down in advance. So let's see what is going to happen. Overall, I remain bearish. However, we have to focus in both scenarios. The targets are reasonable targets, 1.3215, 1.31, based on a larger structure that is coming from the left side, and for the bullish targets, this small structure and the top of 1.3570. So this is overall for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the analysis. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and follow. Bye bye.